afternoon, everybody. Firstly, my sincere respect to the honorable guests, special guests, teachers, friends, and my relatives. Namaskar to all of you. My name is Prantika Borua. I am studying class 8 at Purvosatparia ML High School. I read this English learning program. This English learning program was started in our days on 24 July 2020. It organized by Ratnamkur Bihar Sabha, especially Advocate Mr. Vitashok Borua, who is the General Secretary of our Ratnamkur Bihar Sabha. By this English learning program, I am developing my knowledge, such as translation English to Bengali and Bengali to English, develop leadership skills, develop speaking, writing, and listening skills, etc. So I am really very proud of our teacher Dr. Sunopriya Bhikku, and also we are 4 members in our family. My father, my mother and my brother also supporting me. I am gladly indebted. I try to do the best everywhere and everything. Also, I am greatly indebted to my honorable home teacher and my school teacher. Also, who increased my English knowledge. They are English learning program organizers, Ratnamkur Bihar Sabha, Tonkormi Sangha and my players. In Paparipara Ratnamkur Bihar, English learning program is very interesting for me. By this program, I have understood difference between American language and British language. Now I would like to express about the story of the blind girl. There was a blind girl who said herself poorly for the fact she was blind. The only person she did not hate was her loving boyfriend, and she was always there for her. She said that if she could only see the world, she would marry him. One day, someone donated two pair to eyes to her. Now she could see the everything, including her boyfriend. Her boyfriend asked her, "Now you can see the world. Will you marry me?" The girl was shocked when she said that her boyfriend was blind too and refused her to marry him. Her boyfriend walked the away to church and later wrote a letter to her saying, "Just take care of my eyes, dear. When our situation changes, so does our mind. Some people may not be able to see the everything where before and might not be able to appreciate them. There are many things to take away from this story, not just one. This is one of the inspiration short stories that left me speechless. Now I would like to express why English is very essential. Importance of English language for professional needs. A sound knowledge of English is also essential when it comes to finding the right job or starting with a lucrative career with government department or private corporation. Going forward, there is every change that you choose of profession mandate frequent meetings and interactions with foreigners with a good knowledge of the English language. At such time, you will be expected to cover fluently proper English to meet your professional objectives. Any failure to communicate effectively could just put an end to your career experience, making it a skill that every job experience would love to add to his system. Besides, it's a well-known fact that employees who are proficient in English are much more effective in making presentations, corporate negotiations, management, and job related, social engagement. Importance of English language while traveling abroad. In many countries, the second most widely spoken after the native language in English, which has now become a popular choice as the language trends. If you are a non-native English speaker traveling to a place where it's not widely spoken, you still have a better chance of making yourself understood by writing or speaking in English. Even people in a small town market across the world addicted acting our prices with English speaking customers. Also in many countries abroad, after their local dialect, English is most commonly used language for official purpose in law, administration, government and public essentials. So your knowledge of the language would come in handy when you need it the most. Importance of English language in education. The importance of speaking English is learning a new language never hurt anyone. On the contrary, it has only opened the person's mind to avoid new world of possibilities or opportunities. Learning English adequately opens the door to the masteries of the non-linguistic subjects as with stories, technologies, science, mathematics, engineering, etc. From English-speaking experts in the particular domain for students seeking to go abroad for further studies or research, the ability to speak and write in English is a virtual mode. Since it used by the world's leading university, research essentials and journals and top publishers. Put difficultly, the inability to communicate in English could put a serious question mark on the person's admission eligibility. What makes it even more difficult are the common English mistakes done by most of the Indians in their everyday lives. Importance of English language in our life. As adults, we all tend to voice our needs into words from sharing our likes and dislikes, making friends, requesting for information, starting an argument to going on a long romantic drive and settling down with our respective life partners. Our ability or inability to communicate effectively in English can make all the difference between success and failure here. Unlike in social media, where we have a change of colorful emojis to convey our feelings, real life offers no such concession. Knowing English will not only make you feel good about yourself, but will also earn you the respect of others around. It will also attract them to you. Importance of English language to improve your self-esteem. Learning a new language is undoubtedly hard. But there is not a single person alive today who did not wish he could speak another language. Those who want to effort and took the leap to learn English have the ability to communicate with a massive to people from across the globe. It eventually helps to boost your confidence level. Thus, the English language becomes crucial for presentation development of an individual. They are known in the privileged position of being found out by people by barely know who want to know more about them and their perspective on issues. There are also want to know their opinions, hopes, fears, and thoughts. In short, also everything about them. You can become one such person by putting in the effort to learn English. As the saying goes, no pain, no gain. It was the well-known Canadian author and artist Douglas Coupland who said it best, poetry offering English is flexible. Who truly are the foundation which supporting all our physical and emotional well-being. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Namaskar to all of you.